What would happen if you invested $250 every single week? Well, that's exactly what we're gonna do in this video. I started an account from zero in this series. You can go back to the start of it. And the point is to show you the power of taking consistent action. It doesn't have to be optimized over time. What's really cool about this is that I'm buying things that you tell me to buy, right? So I have a trading community, which is separate from investing. Trading and investing are not the same thing at all, but this is focused on investing. This is something that everybody can do, right? So if you don't want to be a day trader, if you don't want to be a stock picker, that's fine. I'm going to show you my account in real time right now. We're going to go buy the things that my community has told me to buy. And if there are any stocks that you want me to look at, go ahead and put them down in the comment section of this video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Forrest. I invest in stuff. I think that everybody should too. And let's go ahead and do a quick review of the account my community wants me to buy. Let me go ahead and pull this up. All right, so taking a look at the portfolio, you can see that we're hovering around $5,000. Okay, I've got $508 of buying power. Let's see what we have to buy. So going over to Discord, you can see that we have MicroStrategy, IWM, Intel, QQQ, a few other things. So altogether, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stocks. So if we do 500 divided by 13, that'd be $38 in each one. So we're just gonna go through order, grab some MicroStrategy, MSTR, and we're gonna buy $38 worth of those shares. Bought. We're gonna buy some IWM. I'm pretty sure I own some IWM already. We're gonna buy $38 worth of that. Buy. And as I do this, guys, the point of this again is to show you that investing is more important than, not. So we'll go there, $38. Got some Intel, QQQ, $38. What else do we got? Rivian, RIVN. We'll talk about these right at the end here, $38. Really here to show the proof, right? Got to show the proof. It's different when you show the proof, guys. Rivian, TLT, Tilta. No, that's the wrong one. TLT, $38. Buy. Invax. See what this is. Novavax. I'm gonna go 5-year on this. I'm not really a fan of this one. We'll put it in there. It's gonna be the last time I buy any shares in Novavax though. Not really a fan. HEI. I'm gonna have a little bit of discretion with this because it is my money ultimately. And I was gonna rebalance earlier, but it's just not really worth my time right now. Once this hits like 10K, I'll do a nice little rebalance and demonstrate that. HAIN. Hain Celestial. Hain Celestial Group engages in the production and distribution of organic and natural products. Interesting. Okay. Buy some of them. What else we got? CVNA. It's a lot this time. You gotta automate this. How cool would it be if I just automated this fully to where you guys, it just auto bought the shares? My monitor for some reason is trying to factory reset itself. That's crazy. That's crazy, guys. Technology. GE, General Electric. I was like, Gemini Dollar. What the heck is that? GE, Ulta Booty. Booty. Got some Ulta Booty. It's beauty, I know, guys. And GRMN, Garmin. A lot of interesting picks from folks, honestly. One way to describe it. So let's just take a look at Garmin here, for example. 5-year, it just broke its previous all-time high after being down significantly. So 2022 through COVID. Hold up. Someone's knocking. And we're back. So yeah, sorry, the AC in my new studio wasn't working, so the guy came to fix it, and I wanted him to have the opportunity to do that uninterrupted. I've got $52 of buying power left, and the market's open for just a few more minutes, and my laptop's dying, so we're gonna buy. Let's just buy some NVIDIA shares. I like NVIDIA, good company overall. We'll throw some in there. Okay, so here's a question, right, that you're probably asking, Forrest, don't I need to be smarter about the things that I buy? You have all these different shares, okay? I'm not gonna read them all off, there's a lot. Consolidate this at the end of the day into something called an ETF. Show you the power of ETFs and why you necessarily don't wanna do the strategy. So you're exactly right. Picking individual stocks is fine if you wanna be a stock picker. It's a lot to manage, right? You're gonna have to, especially if you have a big portfolio. Imagine you have $10,000 all in one thing, right? Then the lifeblood of your portfolio is gonna be based off what that company does. One of the benefits of investing in the market, total stock market, is diversification. And in particular, when we talk about long-term investing, we can think about that growth at around 8 to 10%, really investing in the US economy. Okay. Now, if you don't believe in the US economy, I don't know what to tell you. Underlying fundamental premise of this channel is that, you invest in expecting an annual return of 8 to 10%. So we're up to $5,000. Love to see it. pretty fun doing this, honestly, because I'm literally just investing money either way. So yeah, man, I really want to see your guys' progress. I think I'm going to come up with eventually, if you know any tools actually to like publicly share portfolio, do that. It'd be cool to like share the performance of this live all the time somewhere. I could put these in a spreadsheet or something. But yeah, if you're looking for a trading home or anything like that, check out my Discord. If you're interested in day trading, pop over to Force Trading. Day trading is where I do all my speculation, make a lot of money, and the money that I make from trading and really any business activity, I just throw into my long-term investing. So I see trading really as work for me. Okay, it's even if you're day trading or swing trading. So trading is an activity that generates money. Once that money's generated, you have to put it somewhere, right? So either into the market or into real estate are my two favorite places to put that money once I've made it. But that's really it for this video, guys. Just an update. If you have questions about long-term investing, this is the place to get into it. Definitely check out the new show called Your Relationship with Money, right? So that is a series, little change where I'm just gonna talk to people about their relationship with money. I'm super excited about that because I like talking to people and I like money. So put those two together. In any case, my name's Forrest. I invest in stuff. You should too. See you in the next video. Peace.
You're never gonna look back, 'cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast.